No doubt, indeed. Without weed, you know what I'm saying? That old real shit. There's a war going on outside, no man is safe from. You could run, but you can't hide forever from these streets that we done took. You walking with your head down, scared to look, shook, cause ain't no such thing as halfway crooks. They never around when the beef cooks in my part of town. It's similar to Vietnam. Now we all grown up and old, and we on the cop control. They better have the riot gear ready, trying to back it and get rock steady. Ride a Mac 1 jump, I touch it, and leave you with not much to go home with. Once finish kick, cause I'll be up in the mix of action. I'm not at home, fucking live, relaxing. New York got a nigga depressed, so I wear a slug coat underneath my guest. God bless my soul, before I put my foot down and begin to stroll into the drama I built. And all unfinished beat, will soon be killed. Put us together, it's like mix of vodka and milk. I'm going out blasting, taking my enemies with me. And if not, they scar so they will never forget me. Lord forgive me, the Hennessy got me not knowing how to act. I'm feeling and I can't turn back. Or maybe it's the words from my man Killer Black that I can't say, so it's left the untold fact. Until my death, I'm supposed to stay alive. Survival of the fit, only the strong, yeah. We live in this till the day we die. Survival of the fit, only the strong survive. We live in this till the day we die. Survival of the fit, only the strong survive. We live in this till the day we die. Survival of the fit, only the strong survive. We live in this till the day we die. Survival of the fit, only the strong. We trap just the slow too. Trying to get dope, you know when to go, you know when to go. But never that, as long as things go crack, I'll be on the block hustling, yeah, what's that? No doubt, watching my back here, but see you bullshit. 5-4 boys, give them time to get lost. The system niggas use a fake name to get out quick. My brother did it and got back for 2 ounces. I live with one with scores, hit the block ball, that's my man Twin. When he got back to fuck me up, God. But shit happens for a reason. You'll find out who the true people's when you're upstate bleeding. You can't find a shorty to shoot your bed with you. Hit with a 2 to 4, it's difficult. While on the streets, I try to maintain. Tight with my Lucas hoes like the gun game. Some niggas like to drink, but I ain't with that drinking shit. I'm like the juice saver, those who I can been with. Pushing a leg, now I'm stepping legit. No matter how much loot I get, I'm staying in the project forever. Things on the blocks, we out clever. The beat we never separate, pull together. When words come to words, my peoples come first. Try to react and get the motherfuckers feeling certain. My crew's all about loot. Fuck looking cute, I'm strictly simple. An army certified suits, puff the nails, lay back, enjoy the smell. In the bridge, getting down, it ain't hard to tell. You better realize we live in this till the day that we die. Survival of the fit, only the strong survive. We live in this till the day that we die. Survival of the fit, only the strong survive. We live in this till the day that we die. Survival of the fit, only the strong survive. We live in this till the day that we die. Survival of the fit, only the strong survive. Strong survive. Bring your eyes and get wild. Keep alive. 95, what up? Kick a lot of stuff like ass paralyzed. You know what I'm saying? All deep and all that.